Hello to all my friends out there. So, okay, here is my toasted granola. Really easy. And so then after it's all done, you would sprinkle raisins. I have some cranberries. And so I will cool this down, and I have, well, figure it was 1.5 cups oatmeal, 1/2 cup nuts, and 1/2 cup, so say 2.5 cups, but it's really more. It's like 4 cups of granola. When you make it at home, it's really cheap too, and it's nice and crunchy. Here's the beans. They're not near done, but that can easily feed 4 people. I mean, how many beans can one really eat? And there's the cornbread. And let's see, what did I do with it? Here is my leftover tea. Okay, so the point is when you make it yourself, it's a lot cheaper. And it's not really that labor intensive. A lot of people make beans in the crock pot. You know, put them in the morning, and then you know your beans would be all done. So I have rice left, I have macaroni and cheese left, I have scalloped potatoes left. I have a lot of food left, and that's another way you save money because you're generating a lot. I mean, this much granola is probably enough for a week. And what's really going to be good, and I'm going to eat this probably in the middle of the night, granola with raw brown sugar. Where is my raw brown sugar? Let me show you. They have it at 99 cents. You just grate it on a small side of the grater and some milk. I'll probably use powdered milk. Okay, you guys, I'll be back.